Let's switch focus now to the story that's being billed as the biggest fraud in corporate India. We are calling it the Satyam shocker. Its auditor, PwC, also under the scanner now. PwC's global CEO, Samuel Di Piazza, is set to visit India to assess the Satyam impact. According to sources, the firm's image is irreparably dented and it's likely to face an ICAI probe as well. Meanwhile, former Secretary of Finance Ministry E.S. Sharma says that cheap land deals are at the root of the scandal. We will get a view from him in just a bit. He says several Andhra firms have been unreasonably favoured and that the government should take swift action, and that too immediately. There are also worries for the Satyam employees, with reports suggesting that the management may just lay off about 10,000 employees as they are running fast out of cash. All right, on the phone line is Mr. E.S. Sharma, former Secretary Economic Affairs right now. Mr. Sharma, you did make a statement a short while back while speaking to us that there were some sort of land deals with political aid. Can you clarify the exact root of the scandal?
Satyam's promoter has actually floated Meta's group of companies. Both Meta's group and Satyam have been given land very cheap, violating many laws and many conventions by the state government. And Metas has got huge projects like Hyderabad Metro, Masala Port, some luxury housing, airport and whatnot, and also irrigation contracts. Now the Metas group they cannot execute these projects because they do not have the financial wherewithal. And Satyam Computers itself has been given huge chunks of land in urban areas. In our own city, they got 50 acres of land, which is worth about 300 crores for just 1 crore. And then they violated many laws.
Right.
The urban laws.
Mr. Sharma, just to interrupt you, but what is your opinion? How did this go undetected for so long, a scam of such massive proportions?
So it is, in a way, the people locally, everybody has been opposing this. We have written several letters. In some cases, we have even gone to the court for judicial intervention. Now, as soon as I saw this land allotment in the first week of December, I gave a notice to the government saying that this whole thing is illegal, irregular, and improper. And I said I'll go to the court. And while I was doing this, and while we were opposing this Hyderabad Metro project, this merger, the Satyam Computers wanted to buy Meta's group. So I wrote a letter to the Secretary Company Affairs, then I wrote to SEBI Chairman. Later I wrote to Secretary Economic Affairs saying that SEBI has delayed the inquiry.
Right.
So in a way the people have been opposing it, but then the political leadership here, the government, has been highly insensitive, indifferent.
So, Mr. Sharma, going by what you're saying, are we then to expect some sort of skeletons to tumble out of the government's closet as well?
Absolutely. In fact, I am just writing a letter to the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh saying that it's high time that you institute a judicial inquiry into the whole thing, not only Satyam Metas, but the number of other companies to whom the government has given doles.
All right, Mr. Sharma, thanks very much for your time here on CNN IBN. That was Mr. Sharma, former Finance Secretary, there speaking to us here on CNN IBN.